cut.
Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today we're going to be demoing off Gold Digger. It's a 500 gram 52 shot from the new design series. As you see, love the graphics on the packaging. There's the performance if you guys want to pause the video and read that. I'll give you a couple minutes. And here's what the tube layout looks like. Pretty decent sized shots on there, a lot of shots. And some bigger ones towards the end. But anyways, let's demo off a Gold Digger. 500 gram 52 shot by Pro Fireworks and Black Diamond. Let's get into the demo. All right, guys, here goes Gold Digger 52 shot, 500 gram by Pro Fireworks. Gold Digger 52 shot, Pro Fireworks. Got to get way back. Really nice piece. Gold Digger 52 shots.